Hello there, Capricorn. Welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your guidance for love only for August 1st through the 15th. I am Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. This is your spiritual healer, intuitive guide, master teacher, and earth angel. So thank you all very much for being here and listening. Please take this guidance in with love and light. Also, you guys, this is a really good time because the month of August is all about learning, education, words, and language. So we have a very powerful and ancient energy coming through at this time. So yes, you will be the student, and I'm sure you will learn a lot of good things this month. So stay focused and pay attention to all the things that you are being taught at this time. Pay attention to all of the guidance that you're receiving from leadership at this time. So, Capricorn, we're going to focus on what's happening in your love life, and I am choosing song lyrics. That's something that I have been divinely guided to teach about at this time and to expand upon in the month of August. So for you all, your special song is Superstar by Usher. Specifically, this part of the music, I'll be your groupie baby, 'cause you are my superstar. I'm your number one fan. Give me your autograph. Sign it right here on my heart. Girl, I'll be your groupie baby, 'cause you are my superstar. And as your number one fan, I'll do all that I can to show you how super you are. So it's pretty clear cut, very straightforward, a sharpshooter here. So what I'm getting here is that someone is a groupie of someone. This is either you being a groupie to someone or someone feeling like that about you. Now, when I say groupie, it can be that some of you are famous and you do have groupies. If you're not famous, then you could be acting like a groupie to someone. You could be always talking about someone or always interested in them and wanting to know what's going on. You could be all on someone, right? Or that's how maybe some other people perceive you to be. And this can be you are the person you're interested in about you. It can go either way. But someone's like really into someone or always interested in someone's life. Because admit it, you're a number one fan. All right? Or they need to admit this about you. So either way, there is an energy of someone seeing a person as a superstar, someone having a recent interaction with a famous person, literally a person that is famous, a person that everybody knows, a person that is very popular in their city, town, or community, or even on social media, a person that people know, right? And so what is happening here is that someone may have a secret connection with a famous person, or maybe, like I said, one of you guys are such a fan of someone else that you are coming across, or someone is coming across like a groupie, but it may be in a healthy way since this is a love guidance. All right, so keep that in mind. Now let's get more into what's going on. So let's see which one, if I could figure out which one of you guys feel like this. So the way you feel about this person you're interested in, you could be longing for this person's attention. You could be kind of desperate for their attention. I'm not going to lie to you. Or you could be trying to catch their eye in different ways, wanting their interest now that there is a distance between the two of you. So Capricorn, you could be doing things to attract your lover. For some of you, you could be, getting dressed up more, wearing your high heels, getting doll-like, getting romantic, bringing the romance back into the connection. You could be doing that, and that's how you want to attract attention from your person you're interested in. Or for others of you, this could be a brand new person that you have a crush on or that you like, and you're trying to get their attention. And there's another group of you where maybe you have a connection with someone, and lately you feel like they've been a little distant, or they literally are distant from you at this time. Maybe you don't see them anymore, and maybe you are trying to get their attention or catch their attention right now. You could be feeling like you really, really miss this person. You could be yearning for them or missing their energy around around you within the connection. So you could be the groupie. You could be, just because you really, really love them, miss them, want to be around them. But what I do feel is that you just want this person looking at you, okay? Or you want them around you. So you're calling them into you at this time, or you're trying to connect with them in some kind of way. You could realize now that the two of you have some type of soul tie together, or a deeper connection than what you originally thought you did with this person. So now you could be taking the lead in the connection and accepting the situation as it stands. And you're just like, even though you really, really want their attention, you're also kind of accepting that you do. And if they're not really giving it to you, I think you're coping with that. And I think for some of you, the coping mechanism is really to just get their attention. Like, if you're going to want their attention, you're going to try to get it, right? That's most people's like go-to. That's what most people will do. If you want someone to pay attention to you, or if you want to talk to someone, or if you really miss someone, or you can't get them off of your mind, you reach out, you talk, you communicate, you post nice pictures online to try to get them, to pay attention to you. So that could be what's going on. You really want someone's attention. Now, this person and how they feel about you. The good thing is that right now they feel so much desire for you and passion about you. This is keeping them interested in you, interested in the connection. So like you, they also are seeking your attention and love. They want your love as well. They want your heart. This person's after your heart. And so you guys are both, so maybe what's happening is that you both are famous and you both are just like all over each other, or you both are groupies of each other. And I mean this in like the best way, right, guys? Like, I'm not saying this in a bad way. I mean this in a really, really good way, a positive way. So they think about you often, and right now I feel like they want to arrange some plans to see you soon, or they want to know how would you take it if they invited you out for a date, or invited you away with them on a vacation or a trip. How would you address them if they ask you out in this kind of way? They're thinking about that right now. So they are on your mind, and I think that you both simultaneously feel like it is time to connect with each other in this kind of way. It is time for you guys to connect. And I think that that's why you want each other's attention right now. So this person could be thinking like, how would you address them if they asked you out? How would you respond? Would you be happy? Would you question it? Would you be thinking about a relationship? Like, would you be thinking deeply about it? Like, how would you think if they were to ask you these things? Or how far would you go to be in their life? Would you take the offer presented? Or would you just leave them hanging dry? Because this person, I feel, really is waiting for you to make a move. I feel like they're waiting for you to make a move. They want to know, like, what's going on with you, because just as much as you want them to pay attention to you, they want you to pay attention to them. It's the same, you guys. Now, how do you see this person? You see this person as being honest. You feel like right now they have an honest expression of how they feel toward you. You know that if they come towards you, they're going to be honest with you. You know that it's not going to be games. It's not going to be a joke. It's not going to be playing around. It's not going to be something that they do not take seriously. You know that this person is very blunt. They're outspoken. They are going to say how they feel when they need to. They're an honest person. They're being real. And so I think that you know that every word, emotion, or action that this person shows is showing. It's showing. There's nothing that this person can do to hide the fact that they really want your attention right now. It's nothing that they can do to hide the fact that they want to be around you, that they want to be with you. You can tell. You can tell. You know that something about this person is keeping you attracted to them and them attracted to you. You know this about this person. And when they are honest, you can see this person very clearly. I think that you just have an expectation for them to just be real with you and just finally tell you how they feel, or be real with you and come toward you. So I think that when this person is being real and they're being honest with themselves, then everyone around them or in their life knows where they stand, right? Everyone, I feel like you need this person to let everyone know the roles that they play in this person's life. So putting people in their place. I think that that's what you are looking for, so that maybe they can come towards you. This could be someone who's stuck in a third-party situation with someone else, or someone who is maybe needs to put friends or family in their place, right? But I think that you feel like this person is now able to look within and remove any weird or negative thoughts or feelings that they once had about the connection, because if they look within, then they'll admit to the fact that they really do miss you and that they love you and they want to be with you. And when they're honest about that, then they start to behave with a sense of integrity, where they don't hide anything from you. They're not hiding anything about the connection, where they learn to trust their feelings. And when they feel like this, and when they show this, and when they're real about it, and they just come out and say how they feel, people are going to respect them, and people trust them because of this. People open up to this person when they are this way. People return that same honesty back, right? And this could also be that maybe you already know that this is how this person is, so you already have an expectation that they're going to just keep it real with you already, because that's how they are. So it's either that you know that that's what's expected, or you're trying to encourage them to be this way. But either way, that's what you see in this person, that they do have feelings for you, that they are real, that you're not making this up, that they're not lying, that this is really true. This is really true. I think that you have a lot of confirmation already, a lot of clarity already in your mind or in your heart that this person does have interest in you, that they do miss you or want your attention, that they do want to talk to you or see you. I think maybe in the past you did a lot of doubting or questioning things, or you were confused often about this, but it's something about this person looking at you that you want right now. Okay, so how do they see you? Speaking of looks, right? They see you as someone who's standing in their purpose right now, or maybe they feel like there is a purpose for you being in their life, but it's something about life purpose that's highlighted at this time. This person feels like you were definitely put into their life for a purpose. There is some type of purpose. There was a reason why you two met. There was a reason why you two were around each other. There was a reason why you two came together. And this is something that you could have manifested. You probably told yourself a while back, Capricorn, that you were going to meet someone like this. And then they come in, they popped up. Or maybe you told yourself that you wanted to meet them or see them in person or see them face to face or get to know them, and it happened. It's something that you said you wanted, whether it's for a good intention, a bad intention. Maybe you weren't taking it that seriously, but they showed up, right? And that's what's most important, and that's what you should realize right now, is that you called this in and they came in. And it was up to you, whatever you did after that, that's all on you. But just know that this person showed up as if they heard your prayer, or as if they actually answered you personally. So if they showed up in your life, it could have seemed like magic how it happened, right? It could have happened like magic. It could have been a magical experience how they showed up in your life. But this person definitely came in for a reason, and there was a purpose behind it. And they see you learning that purpose right now. This person knows intuitively that you are learning the reason why they came in. You're learning a lot of things about this person during this time. And so it may be to strengthen you This person could have come into your life, Capricorn, to strengthen you, make you a stronger person, make you stand up to certain things. Remember the things that you prayed about before this person came into your life. And this person probably helped you with things without you realizing that they were helping you with, according to the things you prayed to them about. Let me tell you, you're dealing with someone that's very powerful, very. And it could be someone who, where in a past life, this person could have held a high role, right? And which means that they still do. And this person is able to hear prayers and like an angel. Coming into your life, and they came in to strengthen a specific area in your life. Either they came in and now you will be able to have a stronger heart, maybe you'll have a stronger mind. Maybe they healed you from some grief that you were experiencing in your life. Maybe they came in to offer you an opportunity to resolve or forgive the past, forgive certain things about your past that you have done, or things in the past that others have done to you. Maybe they came into your life to help you release old patterns or old ways of thinking. Maybe this person now inspires you to reach higher, to do more with yourself, to think bigger for your life, to open a business, or to take a risk, or to make a change, or to think more positively, or to love people more purely, or to stop being complaining often, or to they have done something, and you can't deny that, you guys. This person is definitely had a purpose in your life, and they feel like you have a purpose in theirs as well. This can also be vice versa. Maybe you help them with something, but what I am seeing here is that whatever the purpose is, ultimately it's going to bring out joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment for the both of you, right? It is, or for one of you guys, whoever this is aimed toward, but it is going to bring a sense of fulfillment to someone's life in this connection, because this is something that you prayed for, Capricorn, that maybe you forgot that you wanted this person, you wanted to meet this person specifically. I feel like you prayed about this. You literally told this person, because sometimes, with angels, they hear your prayers too. This person came in because you needed them, because you said you wanted them to be there, because you called this in, and they came in and they showed you the exact thing that you prayed for. So in order to understand the purpose for you being in their life, they have to remember what they prayed for, and you do too, okay? They see you now knowing the reason why they came into your life, the reason, the purpose for you two coming together or meeting each other in the first place. You know that they know why. And so I think that right now it's just about you remembering what you prayed about and why they actually came into your life, and then it'll all start to make sense for you. You wanted on purpose to meet this person, to know who they were. You wanted to experience being in this person's presence. You wanted to know more about this person, and they're here, or they came in, right? They could have recently come in, because I see that you two are at a distance now. But this is something that you wanted. So you just have to be grateful for those blessings when they come, you guys. And that's what I'm getting. I hope this helps. God bless.